Hello students, so today we are going to discuss about conditional operator and Goto statement. Conditional operator is also known as ternary operator, and the symbol which is used to represent the conditional operator is question mark followed by colon. It behaves similar to if-else block. If the condition is true, the statements in the if are executed. Similarly, if the condition is true, the statement after question mark will be executed. And if the condition is false, the statements in the else block are executed here. And similarly here, the statement which is written after colon symbol are executed when the condition is false. So this is how the syntax of the conditional operator is written. Expression here it denotes some condition. If the condition is true, expression true is evaluated. This is for true condition and this is for false condition. Expression 3 will be evaluated when the condition is false. Now this is a variable. We are assigning the result to a variable. If it is true, so expression 2 is evaluated. If it is false, expression 3 is evaluated. So let us see some examples, students. So we have taken a variable int. We are entering a input to the marks variable. If the marks are greater than 40, then passed will be printed. Otherwise, failed will be printed. So this is for true condition and this is for false condition. And we can see the syntax here. Question mark is there before the condition, and we have colon which separates the results. The statement before colon is the statement related to true condition, and after colon we have the statement related to false condition. We use one more statement called as Goto. So this can also be used in the C program, and the purpose of this is to break the control, to make the control move to some random statement instead of executing each line sequentially. Generally C program executes each line sequentially, but we can break the control and we can make the program to execute some random lines instead of following the sequence statements. So this is a syntax, students. We have Goto label. So whatever we write after Goto, so C program will check for that particular line which is starting with this particular label. So this is a syntax. Here we write some name instead of label. Then wherever this particular name is there, whichever line content, program will be directly executing. From Goto it jumps back to label, and whatever statements are there between Goto and this label, this will not be executed. Simply the statement which is after label will be executed. That is this statement will be executed. So you can see in this example, students, so we have a for loop, we have some condition. If I equal to 5, go to out. This is a label which we have used. So immediately from here control goes to this particular label out, and below this statement will be printed instead of executing other lines of the code. So this is how Goto statement will be executing. So until I equal to 4, this statement printf out of the loop will not be printed. This will be printed only when I equal to 5. So up to 4 the numbers are displayed. When I equal to 5 here, immediately control is going from Goto out to this statement, and instead of 5 the statement this statement is printed instead of 5. So this is a sample program, students. Find out what is the result of this. Take 2 minutes and try to solve this one. Pause your video and solve the problem. So the answer for this is output 3, students. If your answer is correct, go to the next slide. Otherwise, go through the video once again.